You can easily go ahead and add in shapes in pictures by using the ILoveIMG's image editor. So to do that, you can go to ILoveIMG.com, and then what you can do is go to Photo Editor right here and select out an image where you want to go ahead and add in a shape. So once you do that, over here on the top, you can see shapes as an option, and you can go ahead and choose from different shapes as you can see. Like you can click on circle, and there you go, a circle is added in. You can go for arrow, and there you go, an arrow is added in. You can click and drag to go ahead and resize it, and then click the handle to go ahead and rotate it out right here, just like this as well. So this is what you have right here, and then what you can do is you can go ahead and select the shape out as well. And then what you can do now is you can go ahead and edit it out as you want. For example, you can go around over here, and let's say, for example, go to the settings right here for this particular shape. And here what you can do now is go ahead and choose the color of the shape right here. You can go ahead and apply, and that is what you have. You can choose from different colors as you can see right here. Just go ahead and choose this out, and this is what you have. You can apply. Then you can go ahead and add in, let's say, for example, some shadows as well. So you can add in the shadow effect by changing out the offset, Y and X, and then change around the blur level as you want as well. Then you can go around for the outline as well. So you can go ahead and choose a particular outline color right here and press apply. You can even go ahead right here, add in a background color as you want right here, so that you can see that the transparent areas has a background now. You can go ahead and add in texture instead of a color as well. And you can even go ahead and upload out your own texture. Like let's say, for example, you can choose an image. So I'm just going to go around over here, click on open, and you can see that the texture has been added in right here, just like this. Or you can choose from one of these as well and apply it out. You can go ahead and change the opacity of the entire shape as well, just like this. So this is what you have, and then you can see that I got different options now right here to control out the shape as well, and so forth. So that is basically how you can go ahead and then work around with the photo editor shapes right here. So you can simply go ahead and add in another shape as you want. You can go around over here and let's say, for example, apply this out, and then go around over here onto settings and then add in other contents as you wish. So you can go ahead right here onto color and then choose, let's say, for example, this color, and this is what you have as you can see. So that is basically how you can go ahead and work around with the photo editor shapes inside of ILoveIMG. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.